Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have with me my cousin, Tanet. Hi, Antoinette.
Good night.
So guys, we're going to do Smash or Pass Jamaican celebrity, Jamaican celebrity, Jamaican YouTubers. Oh wait,
Don't smash everybody.
so wait there. If them are YouTubers, them are celebrity, not true.
Yeah, look, young. Everybody a celebrity now. I
Everybody
guess
can,
so.
everybody with the on YouTube searches.
Everybody's a YouTuber also.
Exactly. Because you know why I say them a celebrity? Because everywhere they go, they have fans calling to them. So sooner or
Everybody
later,
have fans now.
exactly. So sooner or later, we are big celebrity. So we have three-person watching. All right. So as I said, we're gonna do smash or pass. So things let me get things going. Look at the
But question:
picture.
would you consider yourself a celebrity?
Indeed, I
You have
am.
fans.
I do. Three of them are watching me now.
Well, that's nice.
Yes, yes. All right, guys. Before we get into the video, I'm going to share the live stream. So just give me a couple minutes to share the live.
When you're posting more vlogs, when you're doing more travel vlogs.
Um, I want to do one on Saturday. I want to go
Saturday.
to I want to go to Murray to have lunch. So I'm planning on doing a vlog on that day.
Oh, that's in Clarendon. The
Indeed.
jerk, the
Yes.
famous jerk out in Clarendon, the only form of entertainment in Clarendon.
Can I tell you? Oh my God, it is.
So nice.
Have you ever eat at fireside? The
Yeah.
guys, good night, good night. How are you guys doing? In spotlight. Good night. Welcome to my live stream. Tonight I'm here with my cousin. We're here to do a smash or pass. YouTubers, whatever. Mhm. So we're gonna do a smash or pass tonight. Sure. Guys, could you please share out the live stream for me? No, I was asking you, Antoinette, have you ever been to Fireside in Mansfield, Clarendon?
Yeah. When Fireside just opened, it was really good. But no, I don't think it's good anymore.
Uh,
I think it's the same thing with something fishy. You know, something fishy?
yeah, I went there once. The food are very expensive. I don't like it. Too expensive. You get a small amount in the back. You know worth it.
I don't
Antoinette,
think so either.
the guardians, they're saying hello to you.
Hello. Good night.
Hi, Dacian. How are you? Would you like to join me, Antoinette? Uh, let me know if you'd like to join us. All right, all right. I shared it. So now let's get into the live, Anthony. So as I said, guys, tonight we will be doing a smash or pass Jamaican YouTubers. So my cousin, he was a prospective YouTuber, you know. He was. He put it down. King Spotlight, you're from Clarendon. Where in Clarendon are you from? Big up Clarendon. I'm a Clarendonian also. All right, so Antoinette, would
Hmm.
you smash or pass Gio from Gio and Ken?
Pass.
So guys, for those who don't know Gio, where is it? Come on. Here is Gio. But I would like to know why you would pass on Gio. Gio, a nice guy, you know.
He's too young.
He's too young. You never hear a small axe fall big tree.
Not this big tree though.
Okay. Well, for me,
What about you? Smash or pass, Gio?
the garden, them a little pick me. They're childish. Not only in age, but them action, them
Hmm.
childish too. So, persons in the comment section would use bait Geo. I wouldn't smash him Anthony. And the next thing is smoke. And that's not my thing.
Oh.
That's not my thing. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the other one. Hey! Would you smash or pass razor blade? Man, sharp enough. Razor blade. Think
Ah,
about it.
well, I've seen him before.
You've
I
seen
was
him
a fan.
before. That
Yes,
was
I will maybe. Oh my God, there's a blade. My coworker said, "Who? What?" I said, "Oh, it's a YouTuber."
oh my god! So
I
no.
was on Forgotten Friday.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I've never seen him. I always wanted to see him, but I've never seen him.
But what? He's a cool person. I would say yes, because he's a cool person.
Because he's cool. That's the reason you'd smash him.
I don't have a reason why I wouldn't.
Okay. Well, I wouldn't smash him.
Why?
Alright. Nice, very intelligent, all of that. But into slim, me not really go for slim man. You know, have no look of where you can grip on. I know the gardens, you know, have no look of flesh where you can grip on. So me like flesh.
Seriously?
Yeah, me like flesh. So King Spotlight is from Chappleton Footpath. Okay. Mari, Marian's World. Welcome to the live stream, darling. Uh, so you would smash him. I wouldn't.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys. So for those who don't know, raise up. Wait, can't I find the camera? Man, sharp like a razor, but you still, you know, wanna play with me. Really sharp, but him too slim. But I'm a general still. All right. So this one, would you smash or pass Nitro Immortal?
I have seen him also in Mapen. You know, you have a lot of Clarendon YouTubers.
A lot of them are
Um,
from
he's a like hilarious, but him too short.
so what wrong with short? And again, so the smaller the accent.
No, him too short. I think we are like the same height, and I'm a very short person.
Okay, I do understand. I would smash
You
him
look
if
up
he's
in a man face too. Can't look up in a film face.
regardless of your baby. So guys, I realize she not like baby, she like big man Nitro. Then you see man public and like you. Alright, they said don't know him, this is him. Look here man, me not like the computer now. What happened? I can't find the screen, so this is Nitro Immortal for those who don't know him. Nas and Rick Vlogs. Welcome to my live stream. Blessing, blessing, blessing.
What
So
about you? Smash or pass?
pass.
Why?
Definitely pass. Him too sharp. You can't, me not lie now. He have his body and all of that. His body
Yeah,
size right, but he's short. I
true.
mean, me not like short man. It's what we kind of short. When I we have to tall, I mean like look up in the husband face, you know? Yeah. All right. So uh hey, would
Hmm.
you smash?
Who this now?
Would you smash? I'm not thinking that smash either first do I know. But would you smash or pass this one?
Who that? How about this for me? No,
Well, how would this? But
no for no
sorry,
reason. I don't have a reason. It's just a no.
for coming. The guardian talk to me. Well, him nice, you know. Him have nice body built and all of that, and color pretty and all of that. But he wouldn't smash me, so me not smash him.
Him too brown. Me don't like brown man.
I don't really like them either. But as me say, if you would have smashed me, would have smashed him.
No,
But
massa. Bro, I've
yeah,
never been attracted to a brown person. But like
me,
them dark skin, brown is not for me.
well, me not really matter, you know, matter to me still. Until you have a good heart and him body look good. But this one else, you know, want me and you know, want your master. We not,
From we
we
look
not,
at,
we
from we
not
look at them always say brown. You know what? Nothing. Don't worry. Let that one stay.
nah, that's
No,
always say, oh, yes, I don't see you, man, you know. Hey,
no
you know,
man, let that one stay.
my shame see how guys you say trouble. I will say trouble. Somebody there, somebody there. So we can talk about the gang and not talk about the gander. Would you smash or pass this one?
Um, yes,
Why?
because he is a straightforward person.
Mm-hmm.
He's humble
Mm-hmm.
and he's God fearing. He's a Jesus person, and I like that.
Okay.
He's a very positive person. I like his personality is really good. For that
Very.
reason, yes.
That's true. I would smash him. And he's very down to earth.
Mm-hmm.
He's a person. And you see,
Yeah.
to encourage people, and I really love that about him.
Mm-hmm.
And he doesn't act like him the pandey. The line, you know, act like in the pandey line. You forget what me I said. You know the pandey
Yeah.
line? Yeah, him look straight to me. Yeah? But that's smash too. So guys, anyone in the comment section would smash this one? Nothing like on the computer. Would you smash this one? Nat and Rick, they're saying that Russian is very positive. I do agree. Well, where's Lemon? Hello, hello. Him no want me watch them video in the house. He said them. You know, Anthony.
Oh my
Roxy, him, which is her husband. Him no want to have to watch them video because they end up on the borderline.
oh my.
Lemon, never sell. Look what Lemon say. Look at that. This what Lemon say. Don't
Mm-hmm.
Lemon say.
Yeah, me I see it. Yeah, me I see it.
What do you? I mean,
If I'm watching, I have to use earphones or watch at work.
Guys, sorry
Must turn
about
up.
that. So, regarding the same, if I'm watching, I have to use earphones or watch at work. Oh, me not say nothing. Me not say nothing. Me like to watch them, I do like to watch them, but me not to smash them. So then I saying that is handsome though, but not for her. I do agree. Alright, let me look for one who is very handsome. This one.
Wrong side.
Oh my god.
Can't see. Who is that?
Why you
It's
not
white.
showing
The screen is showing white. I can't see anything.
one? Alright, let me try again. See me here. His name is Pang, the real Pang from IR Money. Who know?
Oh, the prankster.
Yes. So who know this one from IR Money? His name is Pang. So Antoinette, will you smash or pass this one?
I would pass.
Fair enough. I would definitely pass. Just by looking at him, me not
I
forget me
think
not
he's young.
me not put
I
my
think
time to know him.
I think he's young. And
What?
he probably would have just prank the life out of me every minute. Just
Oh my.
prank, 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 prank. I couldn't manage that.
So in other words, you think he's very childish, like some other
No,
people.
not childish, Not childish, but them take the pranking thing serious. So we couldn't like they. Suppose me all want something want to look at something and then he say, oh prank. Couldn't bother with them something there.
We don't think he will do that though. But there's time and place for everything. All right. Good night, Jamaican thing. Would you pass Pam Pang to? Would I pass Pam Pang? Pass Pam Pang. Jamaican thing. Would you pass and Pang? No, you're a married woman. But let's put that aside for a while. It's just a little game. So would you pass and Pang? No, look honest. Let me say that he's young. Shane crazy. Welcome to the live stream. Shane, they are honest.
Yeah, but see him.
Oh, have a wonderful night. Okay. Thank you very much, Nas and Rick, for passing through. Thank you very much. Let me give my answer long term. Okay, Jamaican things. Let's move on to another one. Uh, hmm. Right. Let me tell you a little story about this one before me showing him. He was black. Once upon a time, he was black, but now he's white. Who is he? Let me wait on you guys to comment that in the comment section. Wait on it. Take a pin. He was
He
black,
was
now he is white.
king.
But tell her for wait, But tell her for so, he's a Jamaican YouTuber. Once upon a
King.
time, he was black, but now he is white. Alex, saying Alex, cartel,
Alex Brown
cartel,
long time. Collect
man,
can't tell a YouTuber.
I think it's not a YouTuber. No, Nora. Yeah, cartel is not a YouTuber. We're talking about YouTuber. When the can guess he was black, now he's white. Right now, he's one of the most famous YouTuber. I
The
guess
man
a
were easy to
YouTuber.
prank.
Yeah, give them time to think. I know Alex. Alex was black, now Alex white, but I know Alex. Cause Alex is not that famous like this one that I'm talking about.
The man will always say, I pay a fool prank. That not post. That not
Hey, we say sachet, sachet pepper and look bam bam. Oh God. You know him, Rock. All right, Rock. Listen to him. What is the hell? You look nice, you know, me not lie. Look at the eyes. You very
White
charming,
cinnamon.
you
Mm.
charming, me not lie. Look at his bicep. Connect, why your face look so?
How?
Come on,
How?
fix your face.
Mm.
It's king. Look at
I'll
king. King was
pass.
there. Now king is white. And I would smash king. Mother smash.
Why?
You know, so king
Why?
body. You know, so king body. And if I could give a joke every day, we can't boring.
I'll
Can
me a
never
pass.
bore king. So anyone in the comment section would smash. Me would have passed because of that one thing. Jamaican thing will pass because of that pick Antoinette. Yeah, girl, you look really nice. You not lie. You look nice. You look nice. So Rock, what you say about that? Would you pass or smash him? Lemo, yes, Lemo say king. Me just have to Lemo comment king. Yes, I will be a pass. Rock, I go pass you. Shane, Shunisha. What? Shunisha. Thanks that common. What that mean?
It's a
Yes,
heart. It's a love man.
Shane say me love man.
Mm-hmm.
Me nah see na me it's like exclamation mark. Shane, I feel love man. If me love girl, you see man I can come to and say you don't want me like the family. So me I feel love. Alright, so let's move on. Now, uh wow. Mm. Da da dee, da da da. We did smash our past this one.
Who that?
Samar from the
Who?
Carters family. Samar
Oh,
from the Carters family.
no.
Why?
Me not do married man.
Woman, put married aside. Put married aside. Nah, we're looking at it from that perspective. We're looking
Me
at
do married man, girl.
we're
I
looking
only
at it
one
from that
perspective,
perspective.
but he married.
Listen to me, man. When I look on him, I put it aside because Jamaican
Me
thing
can't
genre.
put it aside, girl. Me can't put it aside.
Jamaican thing genre. They are married women, right? So they would.
Alright.
So listen to me now. They wouldn't be a part of this, and they are a part of it. So we have put all of that aside. So
No.
yeah, all right.
Me
So you say
pass.
you'd pass him.
Yes.
Good night, Anisha Baker. Tonight you killed Rock. Me nah lie no. Me nah pass one Seymour. Me a smash him. Seymour, me a smash him. Yes. Anisha Baker, would you smash Seymour from the Carter family? What you want, Shane? When somebody text Shane out of the comment section, please. Somebody, somebody move Shane. Alright. So them not tell me if they smash Seymour. That means that Seymour is not smashable. Jamaican things like a smash you. LOL. Would I smash him 3 times and go back again? That's right. You smash him like that. You say you really love man for true. Jesus Christ. Somebody say me love man for true. Yes, I do love man. Public announcement. I love man.
Nothing
Right.
wrong with that.
Exactly. Because I don't love girl. Me love man. Me don't love girl. Alright, so let's move on to someone else. Uh, is that your phone?
Yeah, yeah. Stop it. Alarm.
Okay. So would you smash or pass this one?
No.
Guys, do you know this one?
Image.
Image. From Image and Dolly. Exactly Jamaican things. A man with love, not girl. But I find a borderline. Girl. Man. Yes, so Shane, that can't play this game, you know. So we not have no girl pick right here. We not talk about no girl. I mean, no
We
love
wanna
girl.
smash image.
No, we wouldn't smash him either. We not smash him.
Him the tattoo. Me not like tattoo.
Mm-hmm.
And from you know, we declare I go church. Them say I must put no tattoo because I'm mark at the beast. So I'm afraid of tattoo. So me no want lie down with no man with no tattoo. Me sorry.
True. Roxanne look like squash. That's true. Look like squash with you. I mean, I like squash. Me not like you. And them love the eye life. Me not really like man with two eyes. Me like down to hurt man. Abe, abe, na connect no. Yes, Maya.
No, no PM, no, me know you come late. Of course, me say yes. There are a lot of yes that I said before, but these persons, I may have my reasons. And not every man me can take. Me feel you some for you, so if you want man, I have to share the man. So if me, the one that when me say no to, you probably can get them one day.
No noise, alright? Yeah, yeah. You're being disruptive now, Maya. You're being disruptive. Huh? Auntie Kimmy is here. Look here. Stay there. Stay back. Mm-hmm. Sorry about that, guys. The one Maya. So, right. So, we just smashed our past. Irish.
Fried Irish.
Try Irish.
I'm okay.
So that's a smash.
Yeah. Me not have a problem with him.
I like him. I would
He's
smash
dark
him.
skin and him have height.
And he's very God fearing, you know. I
Mm.
think, I think he's a Christian.
Oh,
He always post things about God. I think I always go to church and post it. So I think he's a Christian. I don't know.
that's good.
Mm-hmm. True Jamaican things in calm and neat. What about the other one? This one is Maine.
Who?
Maine. They do comedy together. They used to do comedy together.
I don't know that person. I can barely see the picture. No, because I can't see it good and I don't know the person.
Okay, so I would be smashing. Them cool, have nice eyes, but no the smashing. You know me and Kimmy? Yes, Irish is handsome. I take it that you're talking about Irish when I say handsome. Because me and are really handsome. No him. No man, no to smash him. Not smashable. Who else do I have here? I think that's it. Oh, one more. Sabi, why is it white?
Rolly,
Yeah, Rolly. Would you smash or pass? Rolly, so easy.
I'm kind of short still.
Wait, I'm coming. A long time me no watch Irish, so if I recently them do videos, me no know. Yeah, man, long time they used to do video. They're not doing comedy together again. Liam has his own channel now. I don't know what happened. They have departed. Now for Rolly, why Jamaican thing?
Rolly short, but him have a good person. I would smash based on him personality. But
The
him
energy,
short.
the energy nice. Nah, like you have a
Yeah,
punch.
yeah.
That's much Rolly. I'm really
What?
cute. I find him cute.
Okay.
And me like him body build, it's just that him want come on. I
Yeah. Well, that's what we now get.
he not gonna get it again. Probably him can pass it on to his children.
mm,
Mm-hmm. So I think that's the end of YouTubers. I don't have any more. Do you know any out of your head, Antoinette?
mm, no.
Him more too big. Jamaican things.
I think you covered all the Jamaican YouTubers.
I doubt it.
Um, the fishing ones.
Oh, wait, Jamaican things. Talk it true, but really more big. Really more big. It's a bit wide. It's a bit wide, not big. Oh, you're talking about Jamaican wildlife.
Something like that. They do fishing, deep water,
And
something.
and so you have Jamaican wildlife. You have spearfish in Jamaica. You have soy log. And rock. You watch spearfish in Jamaica. Let me see if I find a picture with him. Yeah. Oh, you know, so Win Marshall from Meet the Mitchell. All right, so guys, in the comment section, I'm going to ask you now to ask us if we would smash our pass a certain YouTuber because I think we run out of them. We don't really remember them. So you can we're giving you the permission to ask us now. So let me look for Jamaican things. Wayne Marshall. Tonight, would you smash Wayne Marshall?
No.
Then I think would have smash me all.
I'm a married man.
You know, I look on this, I'm not looking at them. Look on that. Abby and Chopper. Would have
I
smash
don't
Chopper.
know those. I don't know those ones.
That's so nice. I want Indian guy. Would have
Oh.
smash. Him body look nice. And he have good eyes. You just smash Wayne. Cause him love cook porridge. No Jamaican things. Me not like porridge. I do not like porridge. So I'm not gonna smash you. Skinny comedy. Shane, I don't know that one.
I don't know that person either.
Skinny comedy. He's not a celebrity because I don't know him. I know all of the
Oh, you're right, so.
no, I would have known him. He's not a celebrity. I know all of the celebrities, on YouTube. Come again, guys. Come again, guys. Yeah, man, you can go and get your water. so much people on YouTube I can't keep up. Some of them you don't know. Hi Drayden. Good night. Welcome to my live stream. Antoinette, would you smash Drayden? He's in the comment section. Can you see Fix? I take it that he's a Jamaican YouTuber. Drayden is here. Let me look. Drayden, I'm going to ask him if they would smash you. Let me search for you there. What I can't find Drayden. Why? Stop doing that with the bottle. Your hair. Drayden, I cannot find you. Can you know Jamaica? Yes, I know Jamaica. Sunrise Stevie. Me not smash me in job one tough out so. And why internet? In job one tough out.
Who?
Right, Jamaica Sunrise Stevie.
But him can't cook. The man can't cook.
Me know what in job one tough to me.
But that smash him can would cook nice things give me for eat.
Then that me that smash.
You know, to the view of him house. I have a nice job for him house too.
Actually, more that
But that smash from the house stop.
My daughter is inside. Can you go out? Would I eat some of my food? I'm not smashing. So Kenny, Bud's backyard. You're welcome. Jordan, I cannot find you, you know. Jordan, after the live stream, I'm going to look for you. You can leave a comment under one of my videos if we're not friends, so that I can connect with you. What about what's that ADJ comedy?
I don't know that person.
I don't know that person saying. What is that? Soy, what that one is saying?
I don't know.
What kind of language is that? Oh, I didn't see that one. Dirty Berry. Of course, mother smash. Dirty Berry. Long time, long time. He can dance ever sing us up. The Dirty at the do see at the show. Dirty at the Berry at the show. And he can whine you, then you saw. He can whine you. So you know what's there? You know what's like alright in the bedroom. The mother smashed him. Come here.
I would pass.
Right here is PG-13. So I'm going to take my daughter out of the room. Oh my. Check the spelling of my name, Kenny. Let me check again. Let me check again, Drayden. Why can't I find him? I still can't find you, Drayden. Can imagine when you're ready to smash and him start wind up in a that. Love come down, baby, make next morning. Jamaican things me don't mind that, you know, because honestly I need a son. I need a son. So that would have been nice. What you say you wouldn't smash him, Antoinette?
No.
Why?
Him kind of thick.
Oh, you
I'm
know, like,
very small.
I understand. Him a cover you.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of thick. Wait. If you can't find, you make sure you. Yeah, man, I'm using the right spelling. Let me show you. I don't know why you're not coming up. Can I see if I can find Jordan? Because I'm trying to find him and I can't. Hey, Craig Jones. Good night. How are you?
Hello.
You see internet?
No.
Kevin too crazy. No, but you chat too much rock. I wonder if it's okay for me to talk. These people, these people. But it's the truth.
You're too awful.
Yeah, I mean, would have definitely passing. I'm blessed to have life and good health, so I can't complain. It's pure living life. That's right, Craig. That's what we have to do and pray so God can keep us safe. Jay, I don't know why I'm not finding you. All right, let me check that. Teflon Dan, good night. Yes, my brother here, Antoinette. Not everybody
Good
remember
night.
about Teflon. Teflon Dan is a YouTuber also. He's a
Mm-hmm.
good supporter. And him nice. So my question to you is, would you smash or pass Teflon Dan?
I don't know him.
Well, I'm going to show him to you. Give me a second.
What kind of videos you make?
Vlogs like country vlogs, etc.
Which country him from?
He's from Jamaica.
No, as in country bush in a
Same
Jamaica. Which
time, same
country?
time, same time. You share so which country we should come from with Dan?
Then the same you do country vlogs.
But I do country vlog. Am I from a country area?
Of course, carrying down a bush.
You know, I declaring that so. So why me not? Oh my God, I'm
My
gonna
barn
see.
and go a bush.
No man, yeah, that's good. I don't know why I'm not seeing. I don't even see the comment for Jordan. Jordan, after the live, then we will connect. Cause I'm not seeing your comments and I can't see it. Period. I don't know why. Let me show you Teflon. I read the comments them so we can hear Anthony meanwhile me and look.
Wait there, wait. Which parish are Garden Parish?
Not it not the nice parish I just mentioned. St. Anne.
Clarendon?
St. Anne.
Oh, no, Sentence and well, some part of Sentence are bush, but Sentence better than Clarendon.
Jordan, me no know why YouTube last you still in about. I tell you before the night done, me and find you. I'm going to find you. You hear that? God this year better calm down with the bush talk. God the parish that.
No man, me not the Sentence. Sentence are a nice place.
But Sonny, remember we were planning on going to St. Anne. Maya, I'm coming.
Yeah, just because it's COVID thing.
Yes, that would I tell you. I'm coming, Maya. Let me show you my friend Tesla. Hold on. I'm gonna show you that video. I love this to my heart and block box. You did who's the daddy? It's like a short film. The nicest one at Teflon. So look at it. One. The nice
So me
one
can't.
there. The one there where you see a rocking body. That's what we see him, man. See there.
Me
You
not
see him?
because we can't. It's so fine. Me can't say nothing. Which
Oh,
the one in the white, the one in the blue. Which one?
the one in the red. I'm telling you, the nicer one.
But oh, you out of order so about the nicer one.
Watch him.
So the other people them not nice.
Look at man, a real damn sign. Just look on the friend. Just watch him. Yeah? You see that?
Him a the daddy.
Yeah. Ar-
Him, him look like him will give good cuddles. I'm like cuddles.
After the live, I can check him out. After the live, I can check out Teflon. Hold on.
A
Without
man,
check-
you give me girl. Me never
No,
come for you to look man, you know.
I'm not doing that. No. Oh, yeah. No.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, I went to school. What back in there? So you
No,
can
if you married, no master, me not cross it with no married man. Nisha, he
Teflon,
married to somebody
Teflon,
stay married.
Teflon, Miss, where you married for? Where you married for?
No, me have to take back the cuddle there and them something there. Me not cross it. God forgive me.
Oh my God. All right, take you back. Me not take you back. Because I'm not looking at it from a marriage perspective, as I said before. So me not take you back. Teflon, would have smashed you.
Best
Jordan,
up to you and your lovely wife.
whatever. All right. Jordan would have smashed you. Even though based on what me see, just your face me see, would have smashed you. I can't find you, but would have smashed you. So then would you smash Jordan?
I know me not see the person.
You see the name and on his face I can see.
I'm trying to look at the
Either way, I
the
can't find you. Exactly, Teflon, a friendly cuddle. Friendly cuddle. You're welcome, Tef. With Miriam, I saw that he married Sonia. Miriam is saying that he's married. And Marianne's world. Would you smash Teflon? Teflon. Where is Jamaican things? Where is Rock? Alright, let me check again.
It's up to you, no, you can.
Jordan, YouTube a fight here, you know. YouTube a fight, let me see it.
Hmm.
Teflon, tell me some Jamaican YouTubers. Teflon, Teflon, tell me about some Jamaican YouTubers. The males. I don't remember them. This mommy? She don't know him.
We could have
Go ahead.
probably move to politicians because they come like the Jamaican YouTubers them run out now.
You get them done exactly. But that's what I was about to say. Let's move on. Let's proceed. All right. As you mentioned, politicians.
No, but me shouldn't choose that because all of them married, but me can't smash none of them.
On to you. We spoke about Irish already, Teflon. It's kind of sad to know that we cannot
Yes,
think of
oh my
them,
God.
and there are so much nowadays. Exactly. This common like exam when you have the answer and can't put it on paper. I tell you when exam phobia all you. It's there in your head, but it cannot come out. And that I want to do now. So we're gonna move on to politicians. We're gonna move on to politicians. And I'll give it the honor, Anthony, to go ahead. Go ahead, Anthony. The first politician.
Bunting. Bunting.
Bunting. Mm, let me see what Jamaican thing is saying and then I will answer you. How about singers, Jamaican or not? Make it wider so you don't narrow your list too much. Right. My reason for choosing Jamaican YouTubers is because I did a smash or pass um Jamaican syllabus. Woo!
But that's national politician.
Wait there, guys, I'm coming. This is very serious. Open. Oh, boy. Just not like when rain fall, you know. Don't like when rain fall. Alright, so we're not smashing a politician. So we're not gonna mention the politicians then. Let's focus elsewhere. Thanks, Mary's World. Thank you for the thumbs up. We did Gia already. Obviously we did all the YouTubers. And I want you guys to interact with me, so I don't want to choose a topic that you're not comfortable with. So let's settle on something. What do you want us to move on to? Jamaican thing said she's not going to smash any politician. Anthony, you're not going to smash them because they're married.
Yeah.
And we cover every YouTubers already. So what's our next move?
I get suggestion from there.
I saw insect just now, a very dangerous insect just now. Little boy that are smoking and drinking.
Just little boy. What about the little boy with smoke and drink? Oh, them lock up the mother today.
I'm not aware of that.
There's a video going around with a little boy. He was smoking and drinking alcohol. So the police were looking for the parents for the child. So since even I was reading the news, they took away the child is in police custody, and them lock up the mother. And she's actually from Old Harbor. Like, be the things that town people careless and do them something there. But I was actually surprised that it was somebody from Old Harbor.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
When it's a little boy, that means the child doesn't reach his teen as yet.
No, mom, baby, like 2 or so.
That's really careless. That is really careless.
Yeah.
Maria, good night, darling. How are you doing?
Mhm.
So, Jamaican thing is saying that she see them lock up the woman. Yes, she from St. Catherine. She deserve it. I
Yeah.
think she deserve it. What do you guys think? Do you think the mother deserve it?
Of course. It
I want
was
them to
the child's birthday, you know. It was the child's birthday, and them have him like, oh, it's a birthday, drink this and smoke this.
so they're the one who gave it to him.
Yes, and the video it.
But that past bare face, them adopt it.
You know, everybody nowadays want to put everything on social media, so it was something like that.
So Stefan is saying he doesn't know the detail about that boy, but he saw it. He saw the video. It is very sad.
Yeah.
Very sad. And to know that his parents, who should be there to protect him, they're the one who's causing him the harm. That's not nice.
Yeah. But you know, simple stuff like that, and then the child probably end up in state care. You know, sometimes state care is not the best.
It's not safe. That's most of the time it's not safe for the kids. Thinking that something like that is worth recording on video, I think they should assess the mother.
They
I
should what?
assess her mentally. Because if, a mother in her right mind could not have done that to her child.
Yeah, serious.
To record it. If you're in your right mind, would you do that to your 2-year-old child?
Of course. Everybody want to put things on Facebook, on Instagram,
But,
Facebook, and them WhatsApp and something.
but what I'm saying, even if she wanted to do that, so how things are going, she not feel like the law would catch up on her.
Def Definitely not. Because they see it as a joke. It's like a joke, like, okay, I could do this and something. See, I'm like, you're the art. So for instance, you have your daughter, she a wind up herself. You find it funny, you just video it and something, you send it go give your auntie, you send it go give your granny, and somebody just, you see it as being something innocent. Well, that never innocent still, but you
Yeah.
seeing something as being innocent or okay in your eyes. Um, things happen like that all the time.
So I may see it okay in my eyes, but to other people, it's not.
No.
So that I think that's what catch up on her.
Mm-hmm.
So it's for the hype, all for the hype and likes. Hmm. Hype life never pay off, never. Hmm. Tell them about it. No, sir. No, sorry. So we said that it's a sad situation, and I am really sorry for the child. I'm not sorry for the mother, but I'm really sorry for the child. Right, that can't funny for real. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense.
It's just life. I hope she can learn from her mistake, but I don't think they will give back the child to her, though.
She don't deserve that child. Doesn't deserve him. What I realize, that we're talking about that. I think so. All right. Basically, that is poor parenting. That's where we derive to. We're talking about parenting now, right, guys? So that is poor parenting. And what I observe in society, not most, but some parents, they want to normalize certain things. Like when we
Yeah,
were growing up, certain things that was wrong, our parents would protect us from. Nowadays, parents, it's like they want to normalize it. and that its kids
Yeah.
think as if they're right when they're wrong. And that is bad for society. And they're hurting their children and think they're doing them good.
But there's a next story to with this man. He was actually celebrating because the state government I have must say like 11 kids and the state took them away from him and I'm like, oh, be happy, whatever, I'm gonna have to buy pampers and I'm something I'm gonna have to buy feeding. It's in the papers too.
What? That the man they are crooked.
Some parents that they're as the person said before, parent and not every parent is a parent.
Uh-uh. That is really sad though. Travis, welcome. Travis official vlog. Welcome, my friend. So no, now that school is not keeping, right? And most children are home.
Mm-hmm.
Can you just imagine some of the things that they're going through at home? Because we know that school is normally a safe place, a safe zone for some children. So now that school is closed and they have to stay home, what are some of the things you think that the children are going through?
A lot of abuse, especially because a lot of parents too, they're not working and they're stressed. So the easiest thing I can do I take it out by pitney, and especially those who is a single mother, they're going to take it out on the child, and then you have perverted. The perverts are even in like the family now. They are
Exactly.
perverted. There are a lot of perverted men and women, not only man, because sometimes people only can say, oh, it's the man that perverted. A perverted auntie too, a perverted sister too. So
Pervert mother.
I'm cousin.
Mm-hmm.
So you just have to be careful. But then a lot of children, they're going to suffer.
Okay, let me share a little story. That's true. Jamaican thing, all kind of madness that happens to our children. Do you think that the government should send the person around to visit each home to see the safety and well-being of our children? Do you think that's
Well,
necessary?
I think they are doing that for kids that, like, for example, you have some kids that they before they were out of school because of COVID. They
Mm-hmm.
you know they were speaking with the guidance counselors and all of those kind of people. So I think for those kids, I think the government still send people to check on them.
So what about the other set of children? I think the government need to send it around to every home.
Well, at the end of the day, they're going to say that we don't have the resources.
That's again because recently I was in a taxi and a mother and her child. They don't live together. Obviously, the child lives with her father, and she was on the phone. The mother was on the phone talking to a relative. You know what happened to the child? The
Well,
father molested the child.
the who?
The father molested the
That's not impossible.
and you
You
know
have
what?
some nasty people.
He wanted to give the child some money to keep her mouth. So they were there
Trust
talking.
me.
They
Once
were
you
there.
have a child, you have to protect the child from everybody. You have to think, say everybody. There's a possibility that if pastor, the
Mhm,
police, the
mhm,
neighbor, the father, the stepfather,
mhm,
you as a female and you have your brother, you have to think about your brother too.
mhm.
Everybody. And not only your daughter, but even your son too. Because a lot of persons, they only, as I said before, they only focus on the female, the little girl. They don't focus on the boys, but boys do get abused too.
That's true. Like the Jamaican thing is saying, yes, they have social workers doing home visits for years. I don't know how it's going on now in this pandemic. I don't know. Stephanie is saying that's why I can't leave my daughter with no one. I'm not going to leave. Well, I do leave my daughter with my family members, and they do take care of my daughter. So I'm not going to say that they do take care of her. But I mean, like other children. I'm really sorry for them though. I'm saddened by the situation that all Jamaican children have to go through all of the madness, all of the abuse and all of that. Go back down there so that the life is not for you, okay? Stephen, I can't even trust your shadow with your children. People these days are so evil. That is so true. That is so true.
And next thing, I think people need to focus too on someday. Like if you have a friend and you
Mm-hmm.
have family members, and so I think people need to check in more on each other
Yes.
because with this whole pandemic and lockdown, even myself, like some of the times I'm home and
Mm-hmm.
then just here I'm not used to it. Just home
Just
in the house
yourself.
and not, no kind of interaction and all of that. That's not me. So it's good to when you can check in on people too.
Mm-hmm. So, in other words, it makes you feel depressed.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it is so sad. It's
Yeah.
really sad. Wow, but there so little that we can do as a person. There's so little even the prime minister can do.
Yeah.
There's so little that he
We
can do.
each have to do something. We can't just sit down and wait on the prime minister to do this and do that. I think
Yes,
that's where we go wrong too. Everything we
but
blame politicians.
that's true. So what I'm saying, each person, even one person from each family, you know, should try, and be the what would I say now? For example, I would be the person in my family to ensure that everything goes right. To stop it
Mm-hmm.
now and then and check up and see that everything goes right. To be like a relationship with my family members. If anything goes bad, they can confide in me. So I think
Yeah.
it starts in every home. And also parenting to build a relationship with their children so that the child or children can be comfortable to tell them things.
Mm-hmm. That's
From
true.
from Maya was young and I teach her good touch and bad touch. Well, at one point, when my sisters used to be there, she used to cry, them couldn't touch her private part, none at all. So I have to make sure understand good touch different from bad touch.
Mm-hmm.
If anything happened to her, she can't tell her mom. What happened to you now? Hmm? Hmm? What happened? Not feeling well? Wait, you want mommy now? Alright, I'm coming. Alright, so Moyens is not feeling well, so I'm going to end the live and I'm going to attend to her. So thank you guys for coming out. I really appreciate you and stay tuned for another live update. Antoinette, thank you very much for coming.
You're
And
welcome.
I know my people, my fans, they really appreciate you stopping by. And I know you brought laughter to a lot of them.
Yes,
Yeah.
I
So, mm,
I said yes I did. Thanks for having me.
you're most welcome. So again, guys, thank you very much for stopping by. Until next time, I'm out. Bye, guys.
Bye.